Hello friends, welcome back to Laravel tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss about Laravel inner join. So before going to know about inner joining, let's say what are the joining available in Laravel. So in Laravel, basically we have three types of joining, that is inner join, left join and right join. And based on these three types of joining, we will get the cross join, advanced join, subquery join, and you can say that a lateral join or union type of join. Okay, so all the things are available. The basic three things are inner join, left join and right join. Let's say what is join. Join is actually a relations between one or multiple tables. In our database, suppose we have a students table, we have subjects table. So let's see these tables first. So you can see this is the students table. So ID, name, email, address are there, and there are 4 records in my students table. And in the subject table, you will see ID, name and student ID. So the fundamental thing is the student ID. What is actually student ID? This is the relations. You can say this is the relations between the subject table and student table. Here the ID is primary key of the student table, and in the similar way here this ID is primary key of subject table. But student ID is the foreign key, means this student ID is actually representing the ID from students table. Okay, so these are actually using as a foreign key. So these are the relation. So subjects student ID is similar to the student's ID. These are the relations. So these are the basic things. So before going to join, we need to find the relations. What are the relations and how they are binding? Okay, the thing is, what is inner join? So let's see with the diagram. So if you check, suppose table 1 and table 2, just like here we have students and subjects. This is the second table, this is the first table. So here also table 1 and table 2. Here in inner join, basically these are returns only those rows which matches both the tables. That means you should have relation between both the tables. Suppose if you are going to show the inner joins in the students and subject, here you can see in the subject table 2, 3, 4 these ID are present. So if you going to run the inner join query, so only these 2, 3, 4 record will appear. The Sunny is not appear because this Sunny ID is 1 and here there is no relations in the subject table. So let's do with the Laravel so that we will get the confidence on that. Okay, so here this is the application and I created my joining controller, and this is the web.php. So here I just going to create a functions, and let's create a function public function. Let's say my function name is inner join. Okay, and we will use simple db first. Okay, so here just write here db, and table we know how to do a query inside Laravel. So let's use the table, and first we will use the students tables like as table 1. Okay, so this is the students table. Now I want to join the students table with the subject table based on these relations. So here we need to do simply write get, and to join we need to use the syntax as a join. Okay, and I want to join which table? I want to join the subjects table, and the relation is students dot id is equal to the subjects dot student id. Okay, so here you can see subjects dot student id is related to students dot id. Okay, so this is the simple inner join concept. And now let's fetch some records. So here simply write select. Here another things, you can see in the students table there is a name, and in the subjects table we have a name. So if you simply fetch the name, it will be problem because the column name will be ambiguous, means this statement cannot understand from which table we want to show. Okay, so that's the reason we have to specify the students dot name as student name, and similar way you can write subjects dot name as subject name. Okay, and let's return this. So simply store all the result into the result variable and just write return $result. Okay, and now call this function inner join function. So simply I will use the get statement. So simply write route and get, and let's my URL will be inner join, and simply use the joining controller class, and my function name is inner join. Okay, so let's use this, and if you just go into this URL, you can see the result. So simply write inner join. So you will get only the 3 records: David, English; John, math; Rock, computer. So we cannot get a Sunny here because Sunny, this ID is not present in the subject table. Also we cannot got any record from history because history is not related to any student ID. So we are only getting the related part. Okay, so this is called inner join, means we will get the data from the both table which actually related. Okay, so this is the inner join concept. Hope you can understand, and still if you have any queries about this video, don't forget to comment in the below comment section. So please like and subscribe this channel for upcoming video. Next day we are going to discuss about left join, right join, cross join. So all the joins we will cover in this series. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.